We have already got official confirmation that Samsung is holding an unpacked event in February, where it's expected to announce its Galaxy S22 series smartphone and Galaxy Tab S8 series tablets. The exact date of the event is still not confirmation, but leaks Event Plus brings some solid awareness that it's February 9 as he shared what appears to be an official event poster. The poster has a large S letter below which we see an epic standard tagline. Not much else can be derived from the image, but at least we have a clear indication. We want to expect the new Galaxy S22 and Tab S8 series. In related news, we also get official detailed images of the Galaxy Tab S8 in its silver and black color variants alongside that S Pen stylus. This will be Samsung's smallest tablet from the Tab S8 trio with an 11-inch LTPS LCD with a 120Hz refresh rate in 2560 by 1600 pixels resolution. The device will have a 13 megapixel main and 16 megapixel ultra-wide cam on the back, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip at the helm and an 8000 mAh battery. The software side will be covered by Android 12 with One UI 4 on top. The news comes a few days after the South Korean company started allows customers in US to pre-order the next Samsung flagship smartphone and the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. Recently, the European prices of the three smartphones also appeared online. Reports have suggested that the company may hold its Galaxy Unpacked 2022 event on February 9 to unveil the smartphone. The prices of the Samsung Galaxy S22 series smartphone have been shared in two different instances. The first one comes from a tipster who goes by username at TakenSitterBlog, who tweeted that the Galaxy S22 will be priced starting at $899, roughly rupees 87,100. The Galaxy S22 Plus starting price will be $1,099, roughly rupees 82,100. And the top of the line Galaxy S22 Ultra will be available for purchase at a start price of $1,299, roughly rupees 97,000. The second source of the Samsung Galaxy S22 series US price leaks is an image poster and imager, an image sharing and hosting service wherein a Google form of a survey shows the same price like the one leaked by a TakenCity blog. That comes a day after Roland Count of Wind Future detailed the European prices of the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. The Samsung Galaxy S22 price will start at €849, roughly rupees 71,1700. Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus is tipped to start at €849, and the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is said to be available at a starting price of €1,249. Apart from the prices, the image shared on the Ember also tips that the phone will be launched in US on February 8. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoying the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.